Hello guys, it's Tyler. On this episode of Green Tea Time, we're going to help out the urban gardener or someone who only has a small space but wants big plants. This can give you a good idea and maybe get your mind churning on what will work best for your space. I want to show you here at my own house how I took all my pots and I stepped up my stoop game. Alrighty guys, there you have it. One thing I did pay attention to is the different heights and textures of plants. Put some of the taller stuff towards the back. This helps soften these hard edges and it slowly builds up the steps into my front door and hopefully to a glass of wine. You too can step up your landscape and plantscape game. You don't have to have a big piece of land or a shovel. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Tyler Banken. We'll see y'all next time on Green Tea Time.